All right, so we're back. And I sorted everything out. I think for now, since my piggy bank is kind of little, I am not going to include the pennies. But we can start off, and these are the extras that did not equal $1. So I had $1 in nickels, $4 in dimes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 in quarters. So that's 12, 16, $17 in cash that we get to save. I'm going to put it all in here. Okay, it says 17. So it's pretty cool cleaning out your closet and finding $17 in cash, coins. That's always a good thing. So we'll mark this in our savings book that I'm putting $17 in coins into the box. All right, so we're still going. Still adding our $17. All right. So I will go ahead and I'm going to mark here on the side 17, so we know where we're starting. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do, that's so I remember it for later. I think what I'm going to do is put these extras in, because I have these extras that didn't quite equal $1, and at the end they'll just be like surprise extra money. That way I don't have to keep them laying around the house. All right, so here we go. We got 17 and change just from cleaning out the closet. I put it in here. And I marked it here for now. And maybe each time I'll just put it on here because I don't know if I'll reuse this after. We'll see. This I 3D printed on my Bamboo P2S. So, all right, everybody. Check your closets. Save your cash. Bye.